Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract email from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So it is really simple. You just have to go on Emelia.io, you create an account, then you go on the LinkedIn Scrapper, you download the Google Chrome extension, you click on Add to Chrome, then when it is installed, you can go on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You just have to reload the page to see the little button Export with Emelia. You perform your search. Then you click on Export with Emelia, you add a name to your extraction, then you click on Start, okay? Let me show you how it is when it's finished. So when the swap is finished, it will look like this, and you will just have to click on Find Email to find the professional email of your leads. Because you got to know that when we swap LinkedIn Sales Nav, we could find and extract directly some email, but this will be the personal email of your leads. So it is not a good idea if you want to do cold email outreach to target the personal email of the leads. You need to find the professional email. So this is what we do here on Emelia directly after the swap. So you click on Find Email, then when the email are found, it will look like this. So we cannot find all the email for every prospect, but you will be able to download on which we find the email and those we didn't. And so you can do a cold email outreach campaign for those who we find. And for those we didn't find the email, you can put them on a LinkedIn outreach campaign. What is different from our scrapper, LinkedIn Sales Navigator scrapper, from the other Sales Navigator scrapper? It's, for example, you can see that here I swap more than 12,000 people, but most of the scrapper, they will say, okay, I cannot swap more than 2,500. So this is unique. This is only with our scrapper. And about the email finder, the fact is that some email finder, they will charge you even if they don't find the email, just for the fact to perform the search. They will debit 1 credit. On our side, we only debit the credit if we find the email. And on top of that, you don't need to use an email verifier, because all the email that we give are ultra verified on our side. So I hope you will enjoy our scrapper and our email finder. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask it in the comments and to follow this channel to have more information about B2B outreach.